Hey everyone, I'm Victor Dwyer, and today I'm excited to announce the launch of the Amazon Directory, a place where you can make all your decisions off your Amazon business to find the best service providers, the best tools, and the best Amazon news, latest Amazon news out there. So it's all going to be congregated in one sheet where you can easily make the decisions off what the best places are, and it's just a hub of all this different stuff about Amazon all in one place. That was my goal with this sheet, and that's where I think it will evolve over time. It's going to look different, but let's hop right into it. So, this is what the sheet looks like right now, and this will continually change over time. This is just a normal welcome sheet saying, hey, this is where you can make all your decisions. And then we have the tools by category. From here, you can see, okay, from either if you're looking for Amazon seller tools and services, if you can go basically here and see, okay, what do I want? What am I interested in? Am I interested in Google Ads to Amazon? That's where you would go to Amped right here. Are you interested in self-service DSP tool? Downstream provides that. And from there, you'll in specialized things, you'll see a Victor demo video that you can see what like where I go over an overview of over what the tool is, and I provided a Victor score. What would I rate that tool as? And then what are the pros and cons of that tool? So I have that each for each one of these here. And then there's one for like Amazon reviews. What are the best strategies for that? I have a video for that. And then for particular e-commerce tools, and that's how it's structured there. Then there's tools by stage. So from here, you'll be able to see, okay, are you in the product setup stage for particular products? So now you can find sourcing, whatever it may be. Are you in the website setup stage? Are you in the Amazon setup stage? Or are you in the growth stage? And then that's where you can find other particular things to really help scale and increase your growth on Amazon. And eventually you'll go to advertising, and then you'll work on scaling even more. So that's where you can find a lot of it'll look a lot different than where it is right now, but that's kind of the structure that it is at its current stage. And then you'll find the latest Amazon news within this tab. We'll constantly keep this updated with the latest Amazon news that we currently have. There will be tutorials within this sheet, and then we'll have the latest Amazon services here. So basically, you'll see the price range, the link to their website, if they're Victor approved, meaning that if Victor's taking a close look at the company, this will be here. Do you like what services they provide? Yes, and then you can basically go through this sheet of what service they do and do not provide. Cool. And then you can find the news sources where I get my news sources from. So that will also be at your disposal, and also if you're interested in marketing services. The rest is not very Amazon related, but it's stuff that we've done research in the past too. You're welcome to dive into that as well. Now this sheet will evolve like very very fast over time. So what what you're looking at right now is going to change dramatically, but this is the first rough draft of the sheet that we currently have. I'm excited to show it to you. I think it'll provide a lot of value, and I think it will be the source hub for making your decisions on Amazon a lot easier because there's a million tools in a million different spots. What I'm trying to do is provide as much value and combine them all in one place. Hope it was valuable. Let me know. Thanks.